In the first part, we will learn about Rivian's all-wheel drive AWD system. 1. Dual-motor AWD system delivers 533 horsepower and more than 610 pound-feet of torque with acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as fast as 4.5 seconds. This system provides superior handling on both on and off-road, with a maximum towing capacity of up to 11,000 pounds for the R1T and 7,700 pounds for the R1S. It also offers front-to-rear torque distribution and enhanced fuel efficiency. 2. Performance Dual-Motor AWD system, optionally software upgraded, provides additional power and acceleration. With 665 horsepower, 829 pound-feet of torque, and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as fast as 3.5 seconds, this system delivers an excellent balance between performance and capability. Control. 3. Quad-motor AWD system provides outstanding power with a total capacity of 835 horsepower and more than 900 pound-feet of torque, helping the car accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the fastest time of 3.0 seconds. With independent torque distribution to each wheel, this system delivers the best performance and handling both on and off-road. And starting this system production video, then there will be challenges that Rivian has encountered when producing vehicles. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Rivian's state-of-the-art electric vehicle production facility. Today, we are thrilled to offer you an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour as Rivian gears up for the much-anticipated launch of its dual-motor R1T electric pickup truck. As we step into the heart of Rivian's manufacturing process, let's take a moment to celebrate a significant milestone. Rivian has officially commenced production of the dual-motor R1T, with the first units rolling off the production line and scheduled for delivery in June 2023. This marks an exciting advancement in Rivian's journey towards revolutionizing the electric vehicle market. What sets the dual-motor R1T apart is its innovative drivetrain featuring Rivian's proprietary enduro motor. Unlike its quad-motor counterpart, which utilizes motors from Bosch, the dual-motor R1T boasts an in-house designed and manufactured motor, the Enduro. This distinction not only gives Rivian greater control over its supply chain but also allows for tailored design enhancements to optimize efficiency and performance. Now, let's delve deeper into the technical prowess of the dual-motor R1T. Equipped with brake-controlled torque distribution, this electric pickup ensures optimal stability and traction on various terrains. While it may not feature the wheel-specific torque control of the quad-motor drivetrain, the dual-motor R1T compensates with remarkable efficiency and reliability, offering a range of approximately 400 miles. Let's dive into the remarkable capabilities of the Performance Dual-Motor Drive System. With the ability to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in as quick as 3.5 seconds, it offers exhilarating acceleration that will leave you breathless. Moreover, towing capacities of up to 11,000 pounds for the R1T and 7,700 pounds for the R1S ensure that you can bring along all your gear for the journey ahead. Equipped with our large pack battery and 21 inches road all-season wheels, both vehicles deliver an EPA estimated 352 miles of range. Opt for the max pack battery, and the R1T achieves an impressive Rivian estimated 400 miles of range, with the R1S close behind at 390 miles. The Performance Dual-Motor system boasts a precise calibration of torque and horsepower, delivering a peak performance of 829 pound-feet of torque and 665 horsepower. This optimized calibration ensures exceptional acceleration, performance, and vehicle dynamics, even when towing heavy loads or navigating steep grades. Unlock Sport Mode to experience the full potential of the Performance Dual-Motor system, engaging the lowest ride height setting for optimal stance during takeoff. As we continue to expand our quad-motor drive modes, Performance Dual-Motor will also receive future drive mode enhancements via over-the-air software updates, ensuring that your vehicle's performance evolves over time. In addition to Sport Mode, Performance Dual-Motor offers a suite of standard drive modes, including towing, all-terrain, snow, and all-purpose for everyday driving. The system intelligently adjusts between front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive modes based on driving conditions, maximizing range and performance while ensuring safety and stability. With its advanced torque vectoring and brake technologies, Performance Dual-Motor provides confident handling on any surface, at any speed. Our electro-hydraulic roll control system continuously adjusts stability, ride comfort, and body roll, delivering an unmistakable Rivian experience that sets the standard for electric vehicle performance. As the flagship of the R1 platform, our quad-motor drive system remains unmatched in its capabilities. With 835 horsepower and 908 pound-feet of torque, quad-motor vehicles offer unparalleled performance, whether tackling steep grades or traversing challenging off-road terrain. With 10 drive modes designed to accentuate its incomparable abilities, the quad-motor system sets the standard for refined performance, precise control, and pure power. In terms of power, the dual-motor R1T comes in two variants: a base model delivering 600 horsepower and 600 feet-pounds of torque, and a performance version boasting an additional 100 horsepower and 100 feet-pounds of torque. Whether you're seeking superior on-road performance or off-road capability, the dual-motor R1T delivers an exhilarating driving experience tailored to your preferences. The production ramp-up of Enduro motors for the dual-motor R1T builds upon Rivian's recent successes, including the scaling of production for its commercial van models earlier this year. This momentum not only reinforces Rivian's commitment to innovation but also strengthens the development of its broader electric vehicle platform. As we conclude our tour, we invite you to witness firsthand Rivian's dedication to pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. With the production of the dual-motor R1T in full swing, Rivian continues to pave the way for a sustainable and exhilarating future of mobility. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey, and we look forward to witnessing the electrifying impact of Rivian's dual-motor R1T on the roads ahead. After producing electric motors, Rivian also faced a series of manufacturing challenges and opportunities at their factory in Normal, Illinois. The biggest problem Rivian is facing is increasing production for the R1T and R1S models, along with the production of electric delivery vehicles for Amazon. Despite more than 90,000 pre-orders for consumer vehicles and an initial order of 100,000 commercial delivery vehicles from Amazon, Rivian's factory can only produce about 25,000 vehicles this year. Rivian described the situation in its letter to shareholders, stating that production rates are increasing. They assembled about 5,000 vehicles in May and expect to produce 25,000 vehicles this year. However, they are facing barriers from a limited global supply chain. Expanding production requires Rivian to work closely with equipment, employees, systems and the supply chain. They are progressing well and expect to launch a second shift mid-year. While supply issues remain a key production hurdle, Rivian is seeing positive cooperation from its suppliers to ensure they can meet production targets. In addition, the simultaneous deployment of 3 vehicle lines also provides opportunities to learn and optimize production processes. Particularly with its electric delivery vehicles for Amazon, Rivian installed some of the largest robots ever used in auto manufacturing, especially on the sides of the vehicle. Rivian is also developing a connected manufacturing approach that collects and analyzes data from every step of the production process. From monitoring the tightening force to employee information and equipment downtime, everything is recorded and analyzed to improve production. Although any car company has its challenges, through the video, you can see that Rivian's vehicles are produced at a modern manufacturing plant in Normal, Illinois. Watch as Rivian's CEO and founder, Rt1, leads you room by room to explain how we manufacture electronic vehicles at scale, from pressing and bodywork, to painting, engine, general assembly and final inspection. Follow us to see how our skilled, diverse and dedicated team assembles each R1T, R1S and commercial van, and soon the R2 and R3 models have just been launched globally. Requested a few days ago, please wait and see.